Channel, and today what I am going to do is talk about debt. I did a debt confession with how much debt that we had, but I've been paying off debt. I've been really paying off debt lately, trying to get my Citibank card. I started off with an Uplift 1 and I didn't really write everything down because I'm a mathy person, but not really that mathy person. I like to do algebra and stuff like that, but I don't like figuring out all that stuff. So we started out with an Uplift 1 that we were paying. Uplift 1 we were paying $250 something, let's say $260 a month. And then Uplift 2, these are travel loans for cruises and stuff. Uplift 2, we were paying $150 something, so let's say $160. So I paid off my Uplift 1, the $250, and I started paying the Uplift 2, the $160. I finished paying that off. I paid an extra $200 and something. That was in February. No, I paid off the first one in February, and then I finished paying the other one in March. After March, now I'm snowballing the Uplift 1 and Uplift 2 into my Citibank. Now the snowball every 3 weeks is Uplift 1 is 54 3 times a month. Uplift 2 is 84 3 times a month. And then I pay an extra $100 debt payment. So let's see how much that is. So that's what did I say? 54 plus 54 plus 54 plus 84 plus 84 plus 84 plus. That's $415 plus the $300 that I pay in extra debt plus the Citibank minimum payment is 90 something, so I just put 100. So that's going to be $814 this month. I would like to pay $1,000. And what I have been doing is trying to push money into my debt envelope. Now, I save once. And I've been looking through my wallet and making everything 10. So I have 10 health, 10 household, I'm not talking about mine, 10 office, 10 co-pays, 10 home, and putting the extra money in here. I am thinking also about taking out my saving challenge for electricity and putting it in for debt. This is 60, and I think I have 36. 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna say 36. I don't feel like counting. So I have plus 60 plus 36. I need $90 to make my goal this month of $1,000 into Citibank this month. So as you can see, I was thinking about using my star bills too, because my star in my old bills, I have 30, let me see, this is 60. I have 3 of these. So right here is 90 right here. But I don't want to use my star bills. So what I'm thinking about doing, this is my electricity, extra electricity. I have 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 10, I have 130. Yeah, because I finished 1 and I have 3 of these. So what I am thinking about doing is adding, and maybe I should do that because I really have been doing my debt. 5, 789. I'm going to add that to that. And that means I have $40. No, I'm going to add it all to that. Because when the summer comes, I won't need my extra electricity, but I pay $2.25 for electricity. If I gotta pay extra, I'd rather pay extra on that and get some of this debt with the interest paid. So this will take, I will have, with this here, putting this in the bank, I think I will have $1,000. And my goal for this month is to have $1,000 into the bank for debt. So I'm going to keep this here. We're going to come back and we're going to check to see if I have paid $1,000 on my Citibank this month. Because if I pay $1,000 on my Citibank, that will drop it to $1,000 something. And then I will pay another $1,000 next month and another $1,000 the following month. Because I would like Citibank to be paid, I want to say, by the end of June. I don't want to go into July. I want to start then we'll have 2 cards left to pay. Those are the big cards, but we will have 2 cards left to pay. And we have paid, I wanted to see, we have paid $1,765.26 in debt from February the 1st to, no, when did I do this? I did this at the beginning. This is just, it was just a month. We paid this, no, it wasn't a month. What's the date? 2 months. It's been 2 months because that's really 4/1. But I'm going to put my payment, what it is there, but this is 2 months. So we paid $1,765.26 in 2 months. And I didn't really, I was thinking about it, but I wasn't really pushing it. If I was pushing it, we could have paid more. So, but we also have savings to do too this month. So I want to make sure that we push and actually get $1,000 paid every month in debt, at least $1,000 paid in debt every month. So, okay. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe.